Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down tech troubles into simple, actionable steps. Today, we're diving into a super common issue: your American Express gift card not working in 2025. Whether it's declining at checkout or just not activating, we've got you covered with easy fixes that could save you a ton of frustration. Let's jump right in. First off, start with the basics. Double-check your card's balance online or via the American Express app. Sometimes, the card might not have funds loaded, or there could be a simple error in the amount. Head to the Amex website, log in, and verify the details. If you're seeing zeros or an error, that might be your culprit. Next, ensure your card is properly activated. Many gift cards need activation before use, especially new ones. Look for the activation code on the card packaging and follow the instructions on the Amex site or call the number provided. This step is crucial because an unactivated card won't work anywhere. Now, let's talk about potential restrictions. American Express gift cards might have limitations based on where you're trying to use them, like online versus in-store, or they could be expired. Check the expiration date printed on the card. If it's past that date, you might need to contact customer support for options, as policies can change by 2025. Speaking of support, if the above steps don't help, reach out to American Express directly. Their customer service is usually top-notch and can handle issues like fraud flags or account glitches. Have your card details ready, and be prepared to verify your identity for security reasons. One more pro tip. Try using the card on a different device or browser if you're shopping online. Cached data or browser issues can sometimes block transactions. Also, ensure you're not exceeding any single purchase limits, which Amex might have updated for 2025. Alright, that's it for today's quick guide. By following these steps, you should have your American Express gift card up and running in no time. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.